Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine, and we're back. We're back making another lemonade today. Our previous lemonade was Lavender Lemonade. We posted that video. It was a hit. Everybody liked it because it was unusual, and those that made it said it was delicious. So, Lavender and Rosemary, that's our new lemonade, they are in the mint family. You would think, Rosemary Lemonade? Well, guess what? It actually tastes better than the Lavender Lemonade. So, we're gonna get started and make the Rosemary Lemonade. Okay, we're gonna start off these rosemary sprigs, fresh rosemary, I've washed it, and we're gonna use about 2 sprigs because they're long. But if you were to have medium rosemary, you would use 3 to 4 sprigs. And what we're going to do is, we have 2 cups of sugar, because we're gonna make a simple syrup. So a simple syrup is equal parts sugar and equal parts hot water. So this is 2 cups of sugar. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna pick off the rosemary leaves off the stem. And we are going to make a simple syrup. And so our rosemary is gonna seep, and that's gonna be delicious. Okay? So you have to be careful not to put too much rosemary, but basically we're doing about 2 long sprigs. Again, if your rosemary is not as long and it's medium, then you probably do about 3 to 4 sprigs. Okay, I don't think we need all of it. We need most of it. So once you've got your rosemary in, actually I need a little bit more. I'm right, I should use all of it. Okay, because we want that rosemary flavor, but we don't want it to overtake the drink. So you are going to stir up your rosemary and your sugar together, and we are going to put 2 cups of boiling water. That's key. It must be boiling water, not hot, boiling. Okay, we will pour this into our sugar and rosemary, and we will stir and just get that sugar trying to dissolve a little bit. And it's not going to all dissolve right now, but we just want to dissolve it as much as we can. Okay, we will cover this and let it seep for 2 hours. You can leave it longer if you like, but 2 hours is enough. And then we will come back and put this lemonade together. We're back, and our rosemary lemonade has been seeping. And now we're gonna strain it, and we're gonna put our lemonade together. Okay, so we had it seeping for 2 hours minimum. You can leave it overnight if you like. And that's our simple syrup. So we have fresh squeezed lemons here. This is about 1 1/4 cup of lemons, fresh squeezed. I have strained it. You can choose to leave the natural juices in the lemon so that you have it in your lemonade, or if you don't, you can strain the lemonade. So, okay, and next, 4 cups of water. Oh, I guess I made a mess. Okay, so we will stir, and we will add a rosemary sprig and a slice of lemon. Guess what, guys? My rosemary lemonade is ready. So it's time for me to taste. This is so different and unusual. It's a great drink to have for your guests. And you don't have to tell them what it is and let them ask you, wow, that was great, what is it? It's perfect. It is better than the Lavender Lemonade, and so therefore, thank you for visiting Shelly's Cuisine today and helping us to make rosemary lemonade. We look forward to seeing you again. Please hit the subscribe and notification button, and tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.